we all use Wi-Fi. But what if a hacker steals our username and password using that same Wi-Fi network? So today in this video we are going to learn how a hacker steals username and password from a Wi-Fi network. Hello everyone, I'm Aniban Roy, an ethical hacker and a cybersecurity expert. So guys, let's get started.
This channel does not promote or support any illegal activities. This video is for education purpose only, to educate you on cybersecurity and make you aware of cyber threats. Use your knowledge carefully and wisely. Me or my channel will not take any responsibility if you use it for illegal purpose.
This video is one of my re-uploaded video from my previous YouTube channel, which is rated by YouTube, and that channel had really great content from Wi-Fi hacking to phone hacking, from cracking password, from cracking location and everything. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me in all my different social medias account, because I'm going to re-upload all those videos over here. So this is the fourth video of our Wi-Fi hacking series. We already learned how to hack Wi-Fi with two different methods. Then we also learned what else a hacker can do after hacking a Wi-Fi. If you haven't checked out my Wi-Fi hacking series, then make sure you check it over here. So today in this video, we'll see how a hacker can steal username and password from the same Wi-Fi. For this, I'll use a tool called EtherCap. Now, this tool is pre-installed in Kali Linux. If you have Kali Linux, then we're ready to start. So here I have two virtual machines running. One is my Windows 10 and another one is my Kali Linux. So Windows 10 is my target machine. Let me show you its IP address. If I go to command prompt and type ipconfig, then you can see the IP address of this machine is 192.168.0.107. Now let me close this window. Now we will come to our Linux machine. Now I'll open the terminal and I'll type there ethercap space -G. Now this will open a new window in front of you. If you see, I'm connected to the HackGod Wi-Fi network. Sorry for the interruption guys, but due to the YouTube's guideline policy, I got so many strikes and many of my videos got removed. So to avoid that, I'm uploading the full video on my website, and if you need any help, you can always check the article comes with the video. I know this is irritating, but still, you are getting it for free. So we successfully logged in, but if we go to our Linux machine, we can see the username and password is captured by this tool, and also the link of the website where we have used these credentials. And if you go to Wireshark, then you'll be able to see some other advanced information which may be helpful for you. So this is how a hacker can steal username and password from a Wi-Fi network if the victim is connected with the same Wi-Fi. Now, point to be noted, as YouTube don't allow me to show advanced tutorial, so this method is a basic method, and this method will only work on websites which don't have SSL certificates. So that's it for this video guys. Subscribe for more videos like this.